In this tutorial, we will show you how to filter the employee list. To begin, go to the Employees tab. Click the Filters button at the top right of the list, or you can click on the arrow. A drop-down box will appear. The first filter option is the number of employees per page. Click on the number you wish to view, and then click Apply. The platform will refresh to show you the number you selected per page. The next option is Status. Click the arrow beside Active, and you can choose between Active, which is the default and shows current covered employees and those who have been enrolled but are still in the waiting period, All, which will show both current and terminated employees, and Terminated, which will show only terminated employees. Once you have made your selection, click Apply, and the list will refresh with your selection. If you have entered employee numbers or department numbers for your employees, you can search by that as well. And you can narrow it down even further if you have just one specific employee you are looking for by searching by employee first name or last name. If you have more than one group with us, you can also choose to search just the current company whose account you are viewing, or you can choose to search all affiliated companies. This is known as the global search across all companies. Lastly, you can select a specific class to view as well. Remember to always click Apply after you have made your selection in order for the list to refresh. Also, you do not need to take all of these actions separately. For example, if you wish to view all terminated employees for Class A, you can select that filter and click Apply. If you press the Clear button, all previous filters will disappear and it will reset to the default view of active employees only, 10 employees per page, all classes. And that concludes the Filtering Employee List Nomad tutorial. Thanks for watching.